Grade 7 Geography, Human Environment, Interactions, the tropical and the subtropical regions. Good morning, grade 7 students. Geography, chapter 8, Human Environment, Interactions, the tropical and the subtropical region. In the previous session, we learned life in the Amazon basin. In this session, we will discuss about life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Where is this Ganga Brahmaputra basin? Means it lies in India. The tributaries of rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subcontinent. Figure 8.8. The basin lies in the subtropical region, that is situated between 10 degree north to 30 degree north latitudes. The tributaries of the river Ganga like the Gahara, the Sun, the Chambal, the Gandak, the Kosi and the tributaries of Brahmaputra drain it. Look at the atlas and find names of some tributaries of the river Brahmaputra. The plains of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, the mountains and the foothills of the Himalayas and the Sundarbans delta are the main features of this basin. Oxbow lakes dot the plain area. The area is dominated by monsoon climate. The monsoon brings rains from mid-June to mid-September. The summers are hot and the winters cool. Look at the map of India, figure 8.8. Find out the states in which the Ganga Brahmaputra basin lies. The basin area has varied topography. Topography means locality or region. The basin area has varied region. The environment plays a dominant role in the distribution of the population. The mountain areas with steep slopes have inhospitable terrain. We cannot live in the mountain areas. Therefore, less number of people live in the mountain area of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. It is a remote place and also it is not hospitable for living. It's not suitable place for living. The plain area provides the most suitable land for human habitation. The soil is fertile. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people, where flat land is available to grow crops. The density of population of the plains is very high. The main crop is paddy. Figure 8.9. Since cultivation of paddy requires sufficient water, it is grown in the areas where the amount of rainfall is high. Wheat, maize, sorghum, gram and millets are the other crops that are grown. Wheat, maize, sorghum, gram and millets are the other crops that are grown. Cash crops like sugarcane and jute are also grown. Banana plantations are seen in some areas of the plain. In West Bengal and Assam, tea is grown in plantations. Figure 8.10. Silk is produced through the cultivation of silkworms in parts of Bihar and Assam. In the mountains and hills where the slopes are gentle, crops are grown on terraces. The vegetation cover of the area varies according to the type of landforms. In the Ganga and Brahmaputra plain, tropical deciduous trees grow along with teak, sal, and peepal. Thick bamboo grows are common in the Brahmaputra plain. The delta area is covered with the mangrove forests. In parts of Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh, coniferous trees like pine, deodar, and fir can be seen because the climate is cool and the slopes are steep. There is a variety of wildlife in the basin. Elephants, tigers, deer, and monkeys are common. The one-horned rhinoceros is found in the Brahmaputra plain. In the delta area, Bengal tiger, crocodiles, and alligator are found. Aquatic life abounds in the fresh river waters, the lakes, and the Bay of Bengal Sea. The most popular varieties of the fish are the roe, katla, and hilsa. Fish and rice is the staple diet of the people living in the area. Lake, a source of livelihood. A case study. Binod is a fisherman living in the Matwali Mound village of Bihar. He is a happy man today. With the efforts of the fellow fishermen Ravinder, Kishore, Rajiv, and others, he cleaned the mound or the oxbow lake to cultivate different varieties of fish. The local weed Valisneria hydrilla that grows in the lake is the food of the fish. The land around the lake is fertile. He sows crops such as paddy, maize, and pulses in these fields. The buffalo is used to plow the land. The community is satisfied. There is enough fish catch from the river, enough fish to eat, and enough fish to sell in the market. They have even begun supply to the neighboring town. The community is living in harmony with nature as long as the pollutants from nearby towns do not find their way into the lake waters. The fish cultivation will not face any threat. Dear students, in this session we learnt about the life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, and in the next class we shall discuss about the Ganga Brahmaputra plain, that is several big towns and cities, and what are the facilities that are available in the delta region we will discuss. Thank you, children.